All right, welcome back to part 2. We are on hole 7. It's a par 3. It's 180 yards. It's all downhill, and there's a little bunker right in the middle of the green, which is pretty cool. So even if you do hit it on the green, it could definitely trickle in there. And then bunkers all along the right side, and looks like a really fun hole.
Just headed at the bunker with a nice draw. Looks really good. Oh, just a little bit long.
Just left of the pin. Not quite drawn over, but pin high, just left. Good shot.
So Tatum says the number is 120, so I'm gonna hit a really soft choke down 9.
Started at the pin, but she pulled it a little bit, headed towards the bunker on the left, and looks like it's going to be a little bit long and left. All right, so Mike and I just missed it over here to the left of the pin, and looks like he's going to go for a belly. A belly action. Let's see what we can do here. All right, a little bit. Yeah, a little bit long. It's all right.
Marko with a smart play and putting it. Probably what I should have done. Oh, he did it. Oh, he did it. Oh, he said he was going to make it, and he did. Nice deuce. Just when the girls thought that they had us. And she did it. All right.
A real birdie. Staying alive.
Nice 2. Good job. All right, we're on hole number 8. It's par 4, 449 yards. There is a water runway through the fairway that goes all the way up towards the green. Looks like the pin is on the left-hand side, and the bunkers along the right-hand side are in play. They're about 275 yards out. It's a split fairway, so I think we're going to go along to the right side. All right, we got 117, hit a pretty good drive right there. I'm gonna swoop in another approach wedge and hopefully get it close.
Started at middle of the green with a nice little draw. It's coming back. I didn't quite get up enough to get over that ridge.
Right at the pin with a little draw. Looks good. No, it's spinning left. Oh, go in the hole. Oh, great shot. All right, looks like Marko hit a really good shot. Got about 3 feet right behind the pin. Paris hit another really good one. She's got about 10, 12 feet right behind. And Texas was a little left, and I landed a little short.
Another birdie.
Lemonade birdie.
Yeah. Girls, how are we feeling?
You know, another par, another lost hole.
Yeah.
Can't compete with Marko's wedge game today. It's pretty good.
All right, guys, par 4 here, 445 yards. Playing a little bit downhill, as you can see, and then it's turning to the right. We got a little bit of wind into us. I don't see any bunkers on the left-hand side, so I think something just along the left center of this fairway is good. Looks like on the right, you bring some of the hazard into play.
All right, hit a pretty good drive down the middle. I got 127, a little bit into the wind. I'm just gonna knock down a pitching wedge.
Started right at it with a little draw, and let's head towards the left side of the green.
Looks like it's right at it. All right, about 15, 20 feet below the pin to the left. Good shot.
All right, the girls had a really good shot in here. They got maybe like a 7-8 footer. And then Mike and I are in front of the green right here. All right, guys, actually I thought the girls were inside of Mike and I, but they're just a little bit out and putting for birdie, 8 feet. Oh, too good.
No.
Paris just asked us off camera if Mike can miss that just for funsies, but yeah, we're pretty competitive out here. So, all right, guys, we got a par 5 here, 528 yards. Again, going a little bit uphill. This fairway looks pretty wide open. Looks like there's maybe a little ravine that runs up there that might come into play on the second or third shot. But yeah, straightforward hole. We got a little bit of wind behind us, and we're gonna try to get there in 2.
Perfect. Looks like I got Marko by like 1.5 yards. All right, we got 218, a little bit side wind and a little bit uphill, so probably playing about 225. I'm just gonna hit a smooth rescue right here.
Started it towards the bunkers on the right, and it's drawn back. And oh, I took a big hop to the right. That was a bad bounce, man.
Started at the pin with a draw. Oh, and got a great bounce. Oh, that should be like 10, 15 feet. Great shot. Paris with her approach shot. Okay, pretty good. Well, about 18 feet.
Nice putt, dude. Good birdie.
Thank you.
What's that, 5 in a row for us?
I think so. And the girls are 5 down. All right, we're on hole 11. It's par 4. It's 391 yards. Looks like there's about 200 yards of all carry. And then on the left-hand side, there is hazard, along with a couple bunkers along the left. The first one is in play. I think it's about 220 out. And then the one on the right is about 275. So I think you got to hit a good drive here.
Turn it, baby.
That's gonna be okay. All right, we got 85 yards, a little bit into the wind. We hit a pretty good drive right there, so we're gonna try and stick this one pretty close.
Started right of the flag, coming back, and looks pretty good. Nice hop. Go in. Great shot, dude.
Started just left of the pin, not coming back. All right, just off the green. right, a couple of good shots right there. It looks like P is the closest one to us right here. And then I hit a really good one in there with my 60. I got about 2.5 feet left. Is that good, or you guys want to see it? I'm just kidding. All right.
Wow, what a putt.
Yeah.
What a putt.
Thank you.
How did that feel?
Felt good to get one finally, so many more to come.
All right, we're on hole 12. It's a par 4. It's 334 yards, really tight. Looks like there's hazard and bunkers all along the right-hand side. On the left, it looks like there's just a hill and some more out of bounds. So I think we're gonna tee off with a hybrid or a 3-wood on this one. Perfect. Good swing. Great swing.
So Paris, as we're driving to our drives here, I'm gonna do a rapid fire Q&A.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. First question, favorite golfer all time?
Jordan Speed.
Favorite person to play golf with?
My old teammate Krista.
Favorite golf brand?
Callaway.
Favorite golf course?
Kapalua.
gonna-
Plantation course.
Got 71 yards left. I'm gonna go with the lob wedge and a little bit into the wind, so hit it full.
Right off the bank, sucking it back. Oh, I bet that's so good. Great shot. So I'm gonna swoop a 60-degree in, hit it a little off the toe, create a little more spin, and swoop it in right to left.
Just go for the make. We've been all around these pins today. He's playing a little cut in there, folks. He's playing a little cut. This looks really good.
Thank you.
Should be tight like Tyga.
Okay, so we're on hole, is this 12? We're on hole 12 now. We both teams just birdied the last hole, but we keep making birdies, and the holes we birdie, they're birdieing also, so we haven't really gotten to get up on them, but any words of wisdom, Paris?
Well, we are just going, what's the word? We're taking no prisoners on these next holes. We're hitting driver on every hole, and we're going to be aggressive because it's time to start making some birdies and putting some pressure on them. I think we've been playing too safe, so gonna do something here.
Paris bombed her drive down here, so we only have about 37 yards into the green. What are you going to do, Paris?
I have a 58-degree to get it over that bunker, and kind of soft is the goal here.
All right, Paris just went a little long into the left right there. Marko threw it off the hill and spun it back, and looks like I'm close. I hit another good 60-degree, and Texas is a little long and to the right. Good putt. Yes. Oh, that's three in a row on the backside, Big Cat.
And I think it's 7 in a row.
7 in
Since
a
the
row?
front, yeah.
Okay, so that ends part 2. Paris and I, on the last hole, just realized that everything we had recorded on our vlog camera was in slow motion. So all of our introductions to our shots and all of our Q&As and stuff are all gone.
Well, they're in slow-mo.
Well, they're in slow-mo, so I mean, we can make a little clip at the end of just us talking in slow-mo, but that's all you're gonna get.
So probably no commentary, but our shots will be in slow-mo, so that'll be cool. Yep. And so that's the end of part 2. Be sure to check out part 3, and once again, make sure you turn on your notifications and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Follow us on Instagram, follow Golfholics on Instagram, follow them on Twitter, and everything else that's in the description, and we'll see you in part 3. Bye!